To get started with Uniswap testnet, you need to have a basic understanding of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade Ethereum-based tokens. The testnet is a sandbox environment where you can test and experiment with Uniswap without risking real funds. First, you need to set up a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. This wallet will be used to interact with the Uniswap testnet. Once you have your wallet set up, you need to add the Uniswap testnet network to your wallet. You can do this by going to the MetaMask settings and adding a new network. The Uniswap testnet network details are available on the Uniswap website. You will need to enter the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. After adding the network, you need to request test Ether from a faucet. A faucet is a service that provides free test Ether for testing purposes. Once you have test Ether in your wallet, you can navigate to the Uniswap testnet interface. The interface is similar to the main Uniswap platform, but it uses testnet tokens instead of real tokens. You can use the testnet interface to trade, provide liquidity, and experiment with different features. To trade on Uniswap testnet, you need to select the token you want to trade and the token you want to receive. You can then set the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. Providing liquidity on Uniswap testnet is similar to trading, but you need to add liquidity to a pool instead of trading a token. Best practices for using Uniswap testnet include starting with small amounts of test Ether, testing different scenarios, and monitoring your transactions. You should also be aware of the testnet limitations, such as limited liquidity and potential network congestion. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Uniswap testnet to test and experiment with different features and scenarios. The Uniswap testnet is a valuable tool for developers, traders, and anyone interested in decentralized finance. It allows you to test and experiment with new ideas and features without risking real funds, making it an essential part of the Uniswap ecosystem.